Hi, I'm Scott Markwood, Training Coordinator at Hayfella America Company.
And I'm Daniel Tripp, Product Manager for all things kitchen related here at Hayfella America.
Now we're here in the Learning Center and we're about to install a Kesseböhmer waste bin. If you've got one of these to install, you want to make sure you have your mounting instructions handy as well as this door mounting template.
Let's get started.
We're going to begin by finding the center location of the floor of the cabinet and marking the center. We're using Post-it notes. You could use masking tape or just mark on the cabinet itself. Next, measure over from the center to find the correct hole locations. The position of the holes is based on your overlay situation. Depending on whether your unit is inset or overlay, these locations will vary. Review your mounting instructions for additional information. These holes will match up with the center mounting hole on each bracket. To save time, we're using a Vix-Bit self-centering drill bit. Once we've found the proper location, we can remove the Post-it notes and begin installing the screws. You'll use a total of 4 screws per bracket, both front and back. Notice that we're pre-drilling every screw location. Next, we'll find and mark the center of the door. This will determine how we position the door mounting template. Be sure to mark a clear indication of the center line. Next, we trim the template based on our application. The template takes into consideration both the side overlay as well as the bottom overlay, and also how the door brackets are attached to the door. The template will indicate the overlay at the bottom of the door and the correct configuration for mounting the brackets to the back of the door. With the template in place, we'll use the door brackets themselves to mark our screw locations. We're using a self-centering punch. You could use a scratch awl or even a pencil. Using the appropriate screws, we mount each bracket to the back of the door. To attach the slide unit, position it so both posts are engaging the keyhole slot at the same time. Gently push down to overcome the spring tension. Finally, we install the back bracket to hold the waste bins in place. The bins should then fit easily and securely on the unit. That's it! One Kesseböhmer Double Waste bin, ready for years of dependable service. We hope you found this Hayfella video helpful. Good luck with your installation, and thanks for watching.